Hi everyone, Mike here with a little emergency press conference regarding the Georgia runoff elections and how that's going to affect the stock market. As we know tonight, Georgia's going to be picking their two new senators to see which party controls the Senate. And this, of course, runs into who's going to be controlling the laws that are put into place going forward for the next few years. If the Democrats win both seats, then they are going to basically have a tiebreaker, 50-50, with Kamala Harris being that tie-breaking vote. And with them owning the House of Representatives, the Senate, and the presidency, they're going to pretty much have free reign over what kind of policies they want to enact. Now, I saw some good articles today regarding what happens if Democrats sweep tonight and we have a complete Democratic government. Right now, it's looking like, from what I've read, we're looking at a close to 10% drop in the near term for the stock market. And this, of course, goes hand in hand with Joe Biden coming out, especially throughout his campaign, talking about undoing the Trump tax cuts. Well, we all know if you're going to tax companies more, then the stock prices are going to fall, profits are going to fall, revenues are going to fall. The stock market doesn't really take kindly to that. So in the short term, I'm keeping cash. I'm wanting to be able to build enough capital because I'm going to buy this dip. And I'm going for the high quality stocks. I'm going for 3M. I'm going for PepsiCo. I'm going for Johnson & Johnson. Anything that I think I can get a 5 to 10% pullback on a quality stock like that, my money's going in. This is why I keep approximately 10% capital in my portfolio. These are a good time to buy in. You buy the dips and expect everything to kind of return to normal. And as history shows, it doesn't really matter who is president or what kind of congressional backing that they have. The stock market usually still returns around that 7% over the long haul. Yeah, there might be some bumps and bruises along the way, so that's why I'm buying this dip. I do expect in the long term for everything to kind of steady out and continue to rise as our economy kind of opens back up from this COVID virus. Now, on the other hand, if just one Republican wins, then the Senate's going to stay with Republicans. The House of Representatives will obviously still be Democratic. And I think we're going to kind of keep the status quo. I think you might see a little bump in the near term as companies realize they're not going to get taxed as much, that the Trump tax cuts will be safe. So in the grand scheme of things, it's either the status quo or we're going to have a pretty good dip. And I have to say, I'm excited for that dip. I mean, you don't get a lot of opportunity to buy prime stocks with that at that less of a value. So we'll see what happens tonight. I'm lucky enough that the government stimulated my bank account here just this week. So maybe we're going to toss in that stimulus check into Robinhood, see what kind of stocks we can buy, and see what these races actually end up turning out to be. Thank you for joining this little emergency press conference here. If you like more content, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Again, if you don't have a Robinhood or M1 Finance account, hit those links below. Get started. We both get free stocks. Thanks for joining. Have a blessed day.